Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance, the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not seeing it live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, guys, this is Boom 1000. I gave us a signal in the morning, most especially in the Telegram platform, and of course, first TP, second TP got in, and that's so amazing. So, congratulations to those of you on the Telegram platform. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So, this actually started a downtrend right from here. If you should notice, this actually gave us a and later, and of course it went straight. I expected it to get to this region. Okay, so I took my TP right from here, the last TP right from here, but it even went below that, and of course gave us more selling opportunity, and that's so amazing, guys. So this is so beautiful. Okay, so this is still very much on downtrend, even though it is at this support zone. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to sell more. If it does not, then we are most likely to have more of a buying opportunity right from there. But for now, this is still selling. Okay. Next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out together. I also gave a signal with Boom 500, and of course it gave us amazing profit also. Okay, this had been on downtrend for a while, and definitely it's still selling, except if it finds it difficult to break out below this support zone. But immediately it breaks out below this, then it should be getting to this spot. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will try out this resistance zone again, and once it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy, and we are most likely seeing it around here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone, and of course that is when it's going to buy. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is Crash 1000. It went on downtrend, came to an end at this point, went back to for an uptrend. Okay, so right from there it was unable to go beyond this, and of course it's going down again. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more and may likely get to this spot again. But if it's unable to break out from here, then it will go back up and see if it will break out above this resistance zone. So we should watch out for that. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for long in case it's unable to break out from there. Okay, so and if it breaks out from there, then definitely it will sell for long. Okay, so let's move on to the next asset. This is Crash 500. This has been on uptrend right from this support zone, got to this region, pull back, but went back up to break out above the resistance zone. And of course, guys, right now it is at this new resistance zone. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on a sell trend. So for now, this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. So the final asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. This is volatility 75. It started a downtrend right from the resistance zone, and it kept on going down and down. It has gotten to this support zone, but has not been able to break out below it. So the market has been playing around there for a while. So if it's unable to break out below it, to go back on uptrend. But if it breaks out below it, to keep on selling. Okay, so for now, this is still selling, even though it might not be for long in case it's unable to break out below this support zone. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you're trading. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.